Hey guys, and welcome back to Mother's Barbecue. On this video, we are doing pork belly burnt ends. And I know this has been done all over the place, but I myself have never tried this, so let's give it a shot. So here's our nice slab of pork belly. Got the skin removed from it. And all I'm gonna do is just cut these into cubes. All right, so we got all these cut up into cubes. They're roughly the same size. Some are a little bit bigger, but you know, we can just trim those off. So at this point, I'm gonna go hit it with a rub, and this is my own rub that I make. It's got a lot of sugar and chili and garlic and onion. It's a little sweet with a little bit of savory to it. It's a nice blend that I find that I like. You can use any rub you like. We'll get these all coated up. All right, we're gonna go ahead and lay these out on a wire rack. So we're gonna be smoking these on the LoneStar offset smoker. We're gonna be using hickory, and we're gonna get the temp to about 250, hold it there, and we're smoking for about 3 hours. So let's get these on. All right, we've been in it 3 hours. These things got great color to them. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and get these moved off into a foil pan. You still have a little bit longer to get nice and tender. We gotta render out all that fat in there. All right, to this, of course, we're gonna add some butter. We gotta add some more fat to this. What I got here is some Mexican cane sugar. It's called, Pilanoche, I think it's called, but it's like a brown cane sugar. It comes in a hard triangle tube or cone shape. We're gonna use this as our brown sugar. And then I'm gonna add a little tiger sauce to this. Just a little bit. Give this a tight wrap. All right, we're gonna get these back on. Another hour and a half to 2 hours until they're nice and tender. So guys, we are at the 2 hour mark. Let's go ahead and check on these. I'm gonna close this lid to keep that heat in. These are looking pretty good. Still got a little ways to go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get these sauced up. I'm gonna transfer these to another pan. I don't want all this liquid in there. So let me get this transferred over. Now we're gonna go ahead and hit this with a sweet barbecue sauce. This is my peach barbecue sauce that I make. Again, you can use any barbecue sauce you like. Give this a nice and coated. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get these back on for about another hour, hour and a half until they're really nice and tender. All right, guys, here's our finished product. Finished the last hour on the smoker. Sauce set up real nice. My opinion is came out a little too dark. I think I may have hit it with a little too much smoke in the very beginning, but taste is in the pudding, so let's give this a try. All right, so here's one of these little nuggets. Again, smells incredible, nice and sticky. Let's give this a try. Nice and tender, that fat rendered out really nice. Nice and sweet and sticky. It doesn't really taste over smoked. It tastes actually pretty damn good to me. I got no complaints. I mean, it's the first time I've done this. I'm not quite sure what I would do differently. If you guys have any suggestions, leave a comment down below. I think maybe I would use my pellet smoker because I think it's a little bit more delicate, you know, to handle this kind of, you know, pork belly. It's if I'm making sense, it's just, it'll handle it a little delicately. It'll give it that touch of smoke. The heat would be a little bit more consistent. But overall, I would serve this to anybody. It's incredible. Remember guys, hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next run. Thanks for watching.